If you want to overlay pictures on a video in CapCut, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add image overlays step by step. First, open the CapCut app and tap on New Video. Now select the video or photo you want to edit, then tap Add to load it into the timeline. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap on Overlay. Then choose Add Overlay and select the picture you want to place on top of your video. After adding the image, use two fingers to resize it and drag it anywhere on the screen. This helps you create a perfect picture overlay effect in CapCut. If you want the picture to stay longer or shorter, simply drag the edges of the overlay clip in the timeline to adjust the duration. You can also add animations to make the overlay look smoother. Just tap the overlay image, then select Animation. Here you'll see options like In, Out, and Loop animations. You can choose effects like Fade, Pop-up, or Bounce, depending on your editing style. Once everything looks good, tap the play button to preview your video. Finally, tap the export icon in the top right corner to save your edited video with the picture overlay. And that's how to overlay pictures on videos in CapCut easily.